Okay, year 3, I'm going to show you how to draw a symmetrical image. Now I've got some dotted paper like this, which you can have access to if you'd like to use this, or you can use squared paper, or you can use your numeracy homework book that you have at home. So I'm going to draw a castle because I was so inspired by the castles that you made over the Easter holidays. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way down, and I also want to try and use the whole of the paper if I can as well. So it's up to you. You might want to draw one half of your picture first and then draw the second part, or you can draw it all as one. So I'm going to make a start. Now if I draw one line out to that dot from my middle line, oh yes, I did draw a line directly down the middle of the page as well. Okay, so everything you do on one side needs to be mirrored exactly the same onto the other side. And I'd recommend using a ruler, otherwise it might end up looking a little bit messy. So as you can see, everything I've done on this side, I've done exactly the same on this side. Okay, drawn a line up there, two dots and the same. And this is just going to be the top of my castle. Might make those a little bit wider actually, so I might go out one more dot and one more dot. And then come down a little bit further. So I might come down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I might actually put some little flags on the top. So if I go right to the edge and go 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side, 1, 2, 3, and then I might do another little dot in the middle of these ones and draw, because you don't need to just make everything square. You can make triangular shapes and rounded shapes as well. Okay, so I think actually I might go down a couple more. 1, 2, and then on this side, 1, 2. And then I'll go across and start making my battlement area. So as you can see, I've just left out, I've done a line, left a line, a line, a left a line, and then a line. And then I'll join up these top areas here. And I'll do exactly the same on the other side. So I'll draw a line, miss a line, a line, miss a line, and a line. And then and you can spend a lot more time on yours, making it really nice and neat and detailed. Okay, and I might make a little, actually I don't have any room, but you could, if you like, make some more towers down the side. But what I'm going to do is just draw it all the way down to the bottom, so I make sure that I'm using my whole page. Okay, what I might do next is go down and make what could be the barbican area. So if I start here in the middle again, I'll count out 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. I'll do the same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to draw that right down again to the bottom of my castle. And then within this, I might then draw what would be the portcullis area. So I'll maybe go a couple of rows in and draw out 1, 1, and again another one, another one. And all the way down, and all the way down. I'll go across at the bottom. Now the portcullis is kind of a sort of crosshatch effect, isn't it? So I'll join up all the dots horizontally and vertically. So you'll end up going over that middle line as well, which is fine. And then if you wanted to, you could always add a bit more detail and put a drawbridge or something like that in here as well. And then what I might do is add some arrow loops. Those are those really narrow windows, aren't they? So I've gone 2 out there. I'll do the same on this side here. And then they could shoot their arrows out, couldn't they, because they were so narrow. I might do a couple more down here. So if I count out from the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll do 2 down. I'll go along 1 and do 2 down. Same on the inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 down, and then again. Okay, so it's quite simple, but it is effective. Like I said, when you come to do yours, you can add lots more detail, you can add colours, and you can make it look really effective. You don't have to do a castle. You might want to do a robot, a monster, or anything that you decide. Okay, good luck.